welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing my second Mr. Mrs. box unboxing. So let's get right into the unboxing. Starting right off, it's the same box that we got last month. And I'm gonna see if I can open it in front of the camera. It's got the same like dresses pattern as the last box. And a little, I'm assuming this has got stuff. Yeah, this is what's in the box. But that's what it says. And I'll save that for later so that it's a surprise. But it's got this nice tissue paper, just like last month's. Gonna take off this thank you sticker. And this is the box. Alright, so the first thing, so I'm assuming these are just like planning cards, but it does come with a cute little paper clip that looks like an ice cream cone. Let's see what we've got here. This is venue planning tips and a reception venue worksheet. A sample floor plan, that's nice. Tips and a menu worksheet. So all these can be super helpful. And there's this super cute little snow cone looking paper clip. Put that to the side. Next, there's this ball cap that says bride. Look at that. Hold on. It's like squished in the front. This is so cute. I'm going to try it on. It's very big for my head. But it's got a big adjustable back. So I'm going to adjust it. And it's even got a little thing for you to tuck it in. This is like also such good quality. It's like soft. Okay, I'll deal with tucking that in later. Is this, oh no, now that's a little too tight. We'll get it eventually. All right, maybe that's good. Yeah, that's better. It's got a very large bill. But it's cute. Anyways, this is super cute and like super soft. That's cute. Next we have this shirt. Oh, it says it's a crew neck sleep shirt. This is what it's supposed to look like. It says, I'm not bossy, I'm the bride. I'm gonna open it. Let's see what this actually looks like. It's gray. And it's like extra long. So that I guess it's extra comfy for sleeping in. I'm not bossy, I'm the bride. That's cute. And it's like extra soft too. Perfect for, oh, that hat made my hair messy. Anyways, it's perfect for sleeping in, which, you know, makes sense since it's a sleep shirt, but still. Next thing that I see in here, this looks exciting, is this ceramic jewelry dish, which I was thinking of getting one because I don't have anywhere to put my ring when I sleep. And I was like, oh, I need to get a jewelry dish. Well, now I don't because I have this little one. It says I do, so I can't really like keep it forever, but for now it's very useful. I'm gonna take it out. There we go. It's got like some gilded edges. Very cute. And the heart is like shiny. That's so cute. Alright, the next thing is this phone grip and stand. I normally don't really like the rings, so I might not use this one. but it's still like, it's still really cool. It's got this adhesive. It's like enamel, so it feels pretty good quality. You can like twist this, and it bends up and down, so you can use it as a ring stand. You can also, or sorry, a phone stand. You can also hold it like this. So that's cute. Next, there's this adorable little drink koozie. It says stressed, blessed, and wedding planning obsessed. Oh my goodness, that is so funny. I love that. Next, there's this canvas tote bag. It says bride to be. It's really soft. It says bride to be on this side. So cute. And then it's got these black like woven handles. Oh, it's even got it's got a clasp to keep it closed. And then the inside has this like lining. It's pretty big. And then the other side is plain. That's so cute. And then the last thing in here is an ice tray that's shaped like engagement rings. That is so cute. This is perfect for like a bridal shower or an engagement party. Or also your bachelorette party. So it's a silicone little thing. This is what it looks like from the back. Super cute. And then lastly, this was at the front of the box. This is everything that's in here. So the hat, the koozie, the jewelry tray, the sleep shirt, ice cube mold, bag, and phone grip. And I've got to say, that's a lot of stuff. So this was everything in the box. I'm trying to like show it up to you. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, like and subscribe. And if you want to see any more of this bridal content, I suggest subscribing, just staying tuned, because I am definitely going to be getting more of these boxes. They are really cool and fun. And I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to love yourself, love others, and above all, love God. Bye, guys.